Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what basically an imp does in Grow a Garden. So basically, every 6 minutes, you'll have the chance to try to catch the imp. And if you catch it, you'll get a 15 to 30% chance that it will do another chase. Basically, when you get it, you'll get sometimes sprinklers, sprays, and rewards like that, but just like little mini rewards. I'm just going to place it and see if I can catch it now. If I can't, then I'll just stop the video. But there's the imp here, and every 6 minutes it's going to, I guess, make you chase it for some reason. I don't know if it's going to make me chase it now. So yeah, it's not making me chase now. You'll see later. Oh my gosh. Is it making me chase it? I don't know where it went. I don't know where the imp went. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to go on a chase right now, but it does walk pretty fast. So I think it's also going to get out of your garden as well when it starts to chase. So keep an eye out for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I haven't got the rest of the pets yet. I've only gotten the pixie, the imp, and the ladybug. So hopefully I'll get the rest. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.